I was looking for a bad time, happened to have found mine. I got lost in your soul. Your heart is a man, but I want it all. If I wanted something different, do you think you got from us? I tried one time.
On behalf of the whole Prolix crew, I'd like to extend a huge thank you to the whole crew of volunteers that came out, as well as the band Exomerda, as well as Four Crowns Inn for the hospitality, letting us use their space, and the delicious food for the whole crew. If one of you didn't show up, this whole thing wouldn't have been possible, which is exactly why some of you had 3 or 4 jobs to do on set. So huge thank you to all of you. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as follow us on Instagram at Prolix Media, and we'll see you soon.